Terry Beloga, Sassy Chicks Real Estate Group.
April Palacios, Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation.
Okay, so I had a question for April about gifting money to help someone purchase the house. So this is for all you parents that have the kids living at home and you're like, go. What are the rules? What are the boundaries? What can you do?
Yep. So there are different rules for every loan product. The basic rules on a conventional loan is that the gift donor has to be a relative, and that relative can wire that money directly to the closing attorney. They don't even have to deposit it into the person's account initially.
So it doesn't have to season.
It doesn't have to season.
Ooh.
They don't even have to give us their bank statements as the donor, as long as it is a conventional loan. The conventional loan is the only one that allows it to be done that way. So just wire it directly to the closing attorney. There is a letter that's signed that says you are gifting that money and you do not expect repayment, and it is for the purchase of a home from you to them. Everybody signs that document. You wire the money to the closing attorney, and that's that on a conventional. Now, on the government type loans, which would be like your FHA, USDA, VA type loans, those ones, they want to see the donor's bank statement for at least the last 30 days. And the money can still be wired to the closing attorney, or it can be deposited into the account. And depending on how that works, the money is immediately available to them, so you don't have to worry about waiting it out and money being spent. So there are ways around it. And as long as you just want to make sure you know what the rules are. If you as a donor choose to go get a loan in order to give your child a gift, for example, we don't care that you got a loan as long as that loan is not an obligation of our borrower. So wherever you as the donor get the money from is not a major concern, as long as it's not from an interested party in the transaction. Like the real estate agent can't give the money to the parent and then the parent turn around and give it to the child. That's not allowed.
Okay. What about, is there a maximum amount that you can give?
Not on the lending side of things. There's not a maximum. Now, you would want to check with an accountant or a CPA because the IRS does have some limitations on what you have to pay, such as gift tax. I am not a certified or licensed accountant, so I cannot give too much advice on that.
Okay. Sounds good. Christmas is coming. Write those checks.
Get them a home.
Get them in a new home for Christmas.